Darius James. I'm the Artistic Director of Ballet Cymru, and here we are in Newport in our wonderful premises. We started 33 years ago, a long time ago, and we became portfolio members of the Arts Council of Wales in 2011, which was a huge step for us, and it feels like a new company since then. And to build on that, we got lottery funding for this beautiful premises 5 years ago. It was derelict when we first came in. There was nobody here at all, and we brought the dancers in and they thought I was completely crazy because it was in a bit of a state. You had to have imagination. But we built this lovely studio behind us with the lottery money, and it's got 3 Mitsubishi heaters in there now, air conditioning heaters to keep it a perfect temperature for the dancers. We have a Harlequin sprung floor, and we think it's the best dance studio in Wales now. And we get people all over Wales and all over the UK coming to hire the studio and hire the space. We bring local schools in now. There's 4 satellite schools around us, and they spend days with us, so the kids come out and they're all over this dance studio working with the professional dancers. They come here, they have lunch outside here. We have a kitchen, we have change room, we've got all the facilities we need to make them feel at home.
The building, when we moved in, it wasn't as you see it now. It had been a disused space, so we've obviously been doing the work as we need to go on. We had lottery capital funding for it, which was just amazing. We're so happy with it. We love it. It's really allowed us to progress as a company and really expand the reach that we had prior to moving in. So we've got plans to make, the building is accessible, but we are talking about now starting to work with dancers on a much more regular basis who have different accessible needs. So one of the things that we wanted to do when we first thought about having this building, and now that it's here, is to really open it up to the community and get it really active and dynamic and having it used as much as possible. Obviously the priority is our professional dancers, so when they're in contract with us and they're working, we're in the studio 6 days a week, long days. When we're not here, the company's on tour, we really felt like we still wanted the space to still have that same energy. So for the 2nd year now, we've been running a pre-professional program, which really enables the space to be used a lot more, and it's bringing dancers from all over the world to come and join what we call our pre-professional program, but they're dancers that have completed their dance and ballet training but might not necessarily yet be equipped to work into the professional sector. There's 16 pre-professional dancers on the program. Some of them are away auditioning at the moment, so part of them being here is that they're given regular training and developing strength and technique, but also advice and expertise on auditioning and where to go and how to do that. So for us, this program is a really nice opportunity to work with dancers from around the world. We're really proud to be able to have a space here where these dancers can come and train with us, learn about Ballet Cymru. They come to live in Newport, but I love that. I love that we've got something here to offer in Newport where people want to come and it's a destination for them. So I'd like to think that we're sort of contributing to the growth in the economy of Newport. I know that when we take these international dancers into the schools that we work with, the children who more often than not don't leave their estates are really given a chance to meet people from around the world and hear the different languages and learn a little bit about their culture, which we feel is really important, particularly with the way the world is today.